Alright, this one's going to be a short one. It's just going to be a little update on this Cutaway engine. It has been the one show, but it was real small. It was only a gathering of a bunch of guys, and probably only about 15 people, but it was a success, pretty popular. But we did a little more stuff to it since we finished it, and one of them is the little display box. My buddy John built that for me, and we put some handles on it, and we put a little motor in here and a battery. You know, that's why you need the box. There's a pretty big battery in there, and a little motor. And today is May 15th, and we're taking this to a show, the Jacktown Show, and that's going to be I think the 18th and 19th. That will be a Saturday and a Sunday, and that's the one where Scoutcraft has a big gathering up there. So we're going to bring us to that show, and let me show you what we did. Like I said, I put a motor in here, and then you turn it on. And if you watch the spark plug, you may see it. Oh, I think it just flashed. You stand back. You see that again. Oh, there you go. All right. And I put a little screen on here, because if you look right there, boom, chop a little finger off. And here it comes again, watch. Chop. So keep little fingers from getting cut off. And the one show I brought it to, like I said, it was only 15 people there, and the guy and his grandkids were and everything. Sure enough, they had their fingers in it. They're touching the shaft here and going around with it, and right there, that'll take a finger off. And even here, you know, there's a lot of stuff, and kids love to touch stuff. So I'm gonna have to keep this set back far enough, and just turn it on when I'm around. So, all right, so that's it. I don't think there's anything else we did to this, and that thing will run like that all day long. I was thinking of taking the ball bearings out of this, because if you hear it clicking, I think you can even see it in the little holes. That's where the ball bearings are. You could actually see them moving. You know, anybody that knows engines know what that is, but anybody else wouldn't know what that noise is. But it doesn't bother me. So, all right. So there's your little update, and hopefully maybe we'll see some of you guys at the show. That's Jacktown up in Bangor, PA. Saturday and Sunday, the 18th and 19th. So, alright, I'm going to throw this up for you, and see you guys when you get there.